Hi, welcome to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Thank you so much for your love and support. My last video, which I uploaded on long hair using rice water, was much appreciated. I got lots of comments, people asking me for what we can do to straighten our hair. Well, here it is. Today's video is on hair straightening at home. People say without expensive products you can't straighten your hair. Let me tell you one thing. Hair straightening without expensive products is possible. Yes, it is possible, but you have to be consistent and you should have the will to do it. Today I will tell you a simple yet very effective way for hair straightening. Use this regularly for just 1 month and you will see the difference yourself. Your curly, frizzy, dull, and damaged hair will be turned into straight, shiny, soft, and manageable hair. So let's start today's remedy. If you like it, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel, My Simple Remedies. Please note that there are 2 steps for it. Both steps are really important. Step number 1, take a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of rice flour into it. Then add 2 tablespoons of natural aloe vera gel. Check my video and you will find a video on how to make aloe vera gel at home. Then add 2 vitamin E capsules. And finally, one of the most important ingredients, 1 tablespoon of coconut cream. When I say coconut cream, it means coconut cream and nothing else. Mix the ingredients well and make the paste. It's not over. Now is the most important step, and that's the application. Step number 2. Section your hair properly using hair clips. Do it from the front and from the back. You will need a foil paper and a brush. Now apply the paste onto the hair just like I am doing it and wrap your hair in the foil. Keep in mind, you don't have to apply this paste onto the scalp. The amino acids and minerals present in rice flour are beneficial for hair straightening, while the fatty acids present in coconut cream intensely nourish, repair, and moisturize the hair. Sectioning is the most important thing in hair straightening. If you can't do it yourself, ask someone to help you. Aloe vera gel will again condition your dull, dry, and frizzy hair and make it more manageable, soft, and shiny. And finally, vitamin E will stop hair breakage and improve hair growth by providing nourishment to your hair. After the complete application, leave the mask for 30 minutes. If your hair is really curly, you can leave it on for 45 minutes, up to an hour, but don't leave it overnight, as then it will be hard to wash it off. Now wash your hair with lukewarm water and mild shampoo. Your hair will be straightened in just the first use, and you will not believe the results. Do it twice a week for 4 to 6 weeks for permanent results. This is the most effective home remedy for hair straightening, which won't cost you much and it also has no side effects, yet it's mighty effective. If you like my video, press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.